Okay, so now we're going to create a folder. I'm in the practice folder, if you watched the last video. I'm going to go back to list layout. I'm going to delete all the images that I uploaded in the last video simply by selecting the first one, holding down my Shift key, clicking the last one. It will select all of the ones between those two clicks, and I'm going to choose delete on my keyboard to remove them all. All you have to do to create a folder is click New, and again New Folder, and you'll be prompted to name it. So go ahead and name it TGM for the GOODWIN method, and then your name. And just hit enter on your keyboard or create on the screen. That's it. In the same way, you can create a new file. In this example, I'm going to choose a document file. You could also choose a spreadsheet, slides that are like presentations, forms, and even more types. I'm just going to create a basic document. So again, when I click New Document, it actually opens it in a new window. And the first thing that I do for good practices is to name it. So I'm going to call this TGM Document Jennifer Goodwin, and hit enter on my keyboard. Or just click into the document. And it's all saved, nice and neat up in the cloud. You don't have to save anything to your computer. I'm just going to close this document. So inside the practice folder, again, if we go over here, remember our navigation is on the left. You'll see the TGM Jennifer Goodwin subfolder that I just created. There's nothing inside of it, but if I go back up to the main folder, Practice, I could move some of these things. I could just click this with my left mouse button and drag it right on top of the folder that I want it to go into. And now it's inside the TGM Jennifer Goodwin folder. Alternatively, I could use the undo button on my keyboard, and it comes back. So I'm going to put that right back inside the folder, and it's inside there. I could put this one in there as well. It's very simple. The other way you can move documents, let's say, oh, I didn't mean to do that, or you have a document open and you're not exactly sure what folder it's in. There's two other ways to move. Let's say you have a document open, then you can click on the little folder icon with the arrow and move it. And you can click up here to go back up a level in the practice folder. Oh, I'll just move it here. See that? If I go to the practice folder, that document was moved out of the TGM folder and into the practice folder because I navigated that by using this icon. The third way that you can move items is to simply right-click them and choose the Move To option. It's the same option as that icon up here. There's just always multiple ways to do things. See you in the next video.